Paribhasha, welcome to Z Connect. I really love your name.
Thank you so much.
How did singing happen for you?
Basically I've got it from my dad majorly and my mom too. My dad plays tabla very well, and he has not done anything professionally in terms of music or singing, but he's played professionally tabla. But he's got a great sense of music. So I would say that got it from him. तुम जो नहीं तो जिंदगी हर पल मुझे ढूंढती कुछ इस तरह मुझ में है तू कि दिल कहे तू मेरा.
Nice. So, Paribhasha, this is one of the prettiest places in the UAE, and I'm sure you're loving the location, right?
So this place, when I first came to this place, it gave me a sense of that Roman architecture and amphitheatre. So as an artist, I love the feeling of amphitheatre, and it does complete justice to the concept of amphitheatre. I mean, honestly, I felt like, maybe I should perform here a concert, a play, I don't know, whatever, but I love the place. It's beautifully done. It reminds me of Greece. It reminds me of Roman period. So yeah.
So, you're a singer, dancer, actor. Is there anything you've left out you want to explore?
So so basically I am an artist, and I love to explore creative side of myself, and these are all interconnected, so we really can't disconnect one from the other. So it's a form of expression, and I realized over a period of time that I really need to express myself, and acting, theatre, singing, music, dancing, everything is just form of expression. So I'm just trying my hand on it.
Hi Akash, welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you.
So Akash, tell me about your experience in movies. How has it been for you?
I basically always was interested in the whole thought of acting and directing theatre. So initially I wanted to direct theatre more in comparison to making films. Then so I started as an editor 7 years ago. So I did a lot of video editing and animation, VFX. And then I jumped to my own company for production, where I started directing short films and all. So I like making films which have an underlying, I would say, social cause in it.
Tell us about this song and the whole shoot.
The song is all about how. So again, I am a non-linear director. So these are not simple music videos where वो लड़का दिखा दिया, एक लड़की दिखा दिया, उनका प्यार है, पेन है, और फिर वो बिछड़ गए, फिर मिल गए. Not such something like that. So it's a non-linear music video where I am trying to show how people who know that they are made for each other, but they are not understanding they are made for each other. I have tried to show in a non-linear way. So it's not a simple video. You have to put your brains for this one. I always love Middle East on the whole. I love the structures here. I love how there is a lot of precision in structures here, which if put on a video, gives a lot of insight into magnum opus cinema, I feel. I like to shoot something which is magnum opus always.
So Akash, what else is going to come up from your side? What can we look forward to?
I did start an OTT platform also, basically called Filmera, and idea was to promote independent filmmakers and allow them to reach the global audience with this OTT. It's working really well. People are appreciating it, and there's a lot of referral marketing which is going on for the OTT platform. And all the countries are welcoming me. The audience from all across the globe are downloading the app and watching it. So I'm quite happy with the response till now.
Hi Vishal, welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you very much.
So has anybody from your family been in the same field? How did television happen for you?
So I am from a very small town called Batinda, Punjab. I finished my college and schooling, everything from there. I actually always wanted to be an actor, but I didn't know anyone. I didn't know how to do it. And so I finished college and everything. I moved to Delhi. I was working there, and I was going to my work and one of my friends told me that there's some audition going on the road. I said, okay, let's go. I just gave that audition, and with that audition, I got this film called Om Shanti Om, which I don't tell people much, but now it's okay. So I was in Mumbai to shoot that film, and we were shooting that film at Yash Raj. We finished that shoot, and I was going back to my hotel, and I was just standing outside a mall, and there was this girl walked up to me saying that we really like your face, and if you want to come and audition for Balaji show. And I called my mom, and my mom went all crazy because she was a huge Balaji fan. So I went for the audition, and that's how I got my first show.
So from Kasam Se to Kumkum Bhagya, tell us about your journey. How has it been so far?
So God has been very, very kind that ways. Then I did Kuch Is Tarah was my first show. Then I did Kasam Se, and I did a dance reality show called Kabhi Kabhi Yaar, Kabhi Kabhi Pyar. Then I did Sathiya for 6.5 years for Star Plus, and then I did Kumkum special episode. And then I left television. I moved to US. I was there for 2.5 years. I was modeling there, following the trend which is going on nowadays, again music videos and all that. And more than television right now, I'm looking to do great stuff on OTT platform, because I've done a show which was going on for 6.5 years. Now I want to do stuff where you start shooting, wrap up in a week and a half or month, and then move on to the next character. So yeah, so I'm really excited and looking forward to do some great stuff on OTT.
So tell us about your experience of shooting for this song.
See, when I heard the song first, I very honestly told him that first time I heard it, I thought it was nice. But the more you listen to it, it grows in you. Then I started reading, when I read the whole song, like the lyrics, because I had to memorize it. So every time I'm listening, and even today when we are shooting it, every time we play, I'm liking it even more. So this song grows in you, and once you listen to it now, you won't even know that you're humming it the next moment. So this is what it has. So it is a beautiful song. I am sure it's going to do really, really well.
Is this your first time in the UAE?
I've been to Dubai some seven years ago for a fashion show, and that was also like a work trip. So I came in the morning, finished the fashion show in the evening, and left the next morning. So I didn't get to see anything. So this is the first time actually I'm traveling in UAE.
Take care, Vishal. Thank you so much for talking to us. Enjoy your trip in the UAE.
Thank you.